Hey there, people. Matty Deer of A1 Solutions Group here with the video. It's all about how to get your credit fixed fast. So, here's the thing. With that being said, you got about two options. Okay, some people know this, some people don't. We do have expedite options. Okay, where we can get the job done on one option is in about 3 months. The other one takes about 4 months. Okay. Now, those, they are a bigger investment, okay? The one that takes about 4 months, you're looking at over $1,000, and the one that is, done in about 3 months, you're looking at over $2,000, okay? And this is what they are because we're working hard to get things off and get it done and get you to where you want to be, like that. Make sense? So, some people choose that route, others don't, but we do have people that have it. The other route is this one. It's simple. And it's one that costs you the most time and also can cost you the most money. Here's the option. Get ready for it. It's simply this: getting started now. I know, right? Not very sexy. I understand that. It's just getting started now. Because here's the thing. The longer you delay getting your credit fixed, the longer it takes, more time it adds. And especially if you have a time limit, you then reduce it and you put more pressure on yourself. Make sense? Here's how this works. So let's say that depending on your credit, it's going to take about 6 months to get it done. Okay, all right. And let's say in those 6 months you have a year. You're like, I need a year. I get my credit fixed. I'll get the house. You're like excited. Yes. Okay. Here's the thing. If you delay it off, okay, if you delay getting started for whatever reason, because people do this, by about 2 months, you've now added on 2 more months to that 6-month time frame to get your credit fixed. So because of the fact that if you started, for example, in the month of December, it takes about 6 months, you should be done around, say around June, okay? If you wait, if you wait 2 months to start, that means all of January, all of February. Instead of being done in June, you're not adding 6 months on to February. You're looking at being done sometime around August or September. Follow me so far? You've now added on more time, and especially, okay, if you have a year's time frame, which is 12 months, takes you 6. If it takes you 6 months to get your credit worked on, you're on 2 months to that. That's 8. 8 minus 12. Your time frame that you give yourself now been reduced to 4. And this is where I'm talking about it costs you the time, gives you that pressure that you don't want. Because you want to get the house as soon as possible and get credit fixed, right? Exactly. No one wants this process to take as long as possible. You want to get in and get out as soon as possible, and that's what we can do for you. It just takes you to get started. Because here's the thing. If we're only half right on this, we're only half as good to get you ready to be, you'll come back to me in 6 months. You'll come back to me in 6 months and say, Matt, I wish I got started 6 months ago. Here's where I am. Make sense? You follow? Tracking? So, for those of you ready to get started now, we're doing Christmas special as I record this. Get in, get started, and get you going. At least lock in the special. We can do that with down payment. So I emailed on this before previously. So let's get this thing going for you because, like I said, add the time on there, it makes it longer, and then you're like, oh man, I should have started this a while ago. You don't want to have regrets in life where you're like, you wish you had done something a lot farther. Let's get you going, get you in, get you in the house, and get you where you want to be as soon as possible. 2020 is already next door, it's knocking. Where do you want to be in 2020? Let's talk, discuss. Give me a call directly, 877-250-7170, extension 2, numbers below. Comment below your thoughts, subscribe, talk to you soon. Deuces.